All right, the moment of truth. So let's go ahead and turn it on. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be doing the oil change on this 2016 Mustang. Now, this is not the Pro Charger oil change, but this is the actual oil change from the engine. So I already let it sit for 10-15 minutes. I usually do between 10 and 15, and that way the oil will really settle down there in that pan. And so right now, all we need is the 7mm to remove the plastic, my ratchet, and a 15mm. Also, how can we forget, we have our cardboard so we could lay on, and our oil pan. Make sure that it is at least a 6-quart pan, because it is 6 quarts the amount of oil that the 3.7 Mustang takes. Another cool thing is that this right here is a place so you can place your filter once you take it off. This has this drainage right here as well, so it's pretty cool. Make sure you open your vents before letting the oil get in there. Now, the drain plug is right there. Always make sure you have your jack stands, of course, and go ahead and loosen this. It's going to be this way. All right, so I removed the bolt. I inspected to see if it had any metal flakes. Also, make sure this gasket isn't cracked. This one's not cracked, so we will go ahead and keep using it. Now, the gasket is cracked on this oil pan screw, then you need to replace it. So check out the damage I did with another one I had tried, but fortunately this one worked great. Now I just got to get this under here so if it drips oil, it's not going to spill on the floor. So guys, this one worked perfectly for this oil change, and yeah, this was a lifesaver. Alright everyone, so we'll be using this Mobil 1 M1 212A. I've heard on forums that this is not one of the great ones, but it's okay, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna go ahead and use it. I don't let the car go over the 3,000 miles. Usually what I do is just once it reaches the 3,000 miles, I always go ahead and change the oil. I learned my lesson. I actually ruined the car for being lazy and not getting an oil change on it. Make sure you go ahead and get some oil on this gasket. Just make sure that there's no gasket on there. You don't want to put your new filter and then it has a gasket on there, then you're gonna have a leak. So just go ahead and make sure it's gets some oil on there on that gasket. Now you can go ahead and start threading this in. Always do it by hand, don't use the tool to do this. Like I said, make sure that this is going in correctly, don't cross thread it. And make sure, like I mentioned, just hand tight, not over tight. You don't want over tight. Now that it drained, I can go ahead and tighten it. Don't over tighten it. You don't want it super tight. All right, so now that we're ready to pour our oil, make sure you installed your drain plug, you secured it, and your oil filter, and that's secure as well. Now you can go ahead and start pouring your oil inside your funnel. Make sure the funnel is dust and dirt free. This one I had already cleaned it. This is very simple. The vehicle takes 6 quarts. We're just gonna go ahead and pour this 5 straight in there. It says it calls for 6 quarts, the manual. Some of the oil will go into the filter, so make sure that you go ahead and put your 6 quarts. But either way, it never is a bad idea to go ahead and check your dipstick. All right, the moment of truth. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I'm going to turn it off. We're going to let it set for a little bit. And now to change the oil and reset it, just press settings, vehicle, go down to oil life reset, hold OK, and there you have it. Also, just make sure that there's no leaks on the oil drain plug and the oil filter. All right, so now just to check the oil, I want to make sure it's between those 2 dots, and it is there. So it's right, it's supposed to be between this two, so we're good. There you have it. And that's how you do an oil change on your 2016 Ford Mustang. Thanks.